In a world filled with unsolved wonders, there is one mystery that has captivated our imagination for centuries: the pyramids. Join us on an incredible journey as we unveil the secrets hidden within the majestic pyramids that stand as a testament to ancient civilizations. Unveiling ancient secrets. Have you ever wondered how the pyramids were built? What purpose did they serve? Let's embark on a quest to decode these enigmatic ancient structures and discover the truths hidden within their very core. Throughout history, pyramids have been a symbol of power, achievement, and grandeur. But behind their awe-inspiring exteriors lie stories that have remained shrouded in mystery for millennia. Piecing together the puzzle. To truly understand the pyramids, we must delve into the ancient world and analyze the architectural marvels that have withstood the test of time. Archaeologists and historians have tirelessly worked to unveil the secrets of the pyramids, studying their construction techniques, religious symbolism, and purpose. Through advanced imaging technology and meticulous research, we are now able to take a never-seen-before look inside these colossal structures. The pyramid's purpose revealed. Do the pyramids truly hold mystical powers, as some legends suggest? Or were they simply elaborate tombs for the pharaohs? Let's separate fact from fiction. Theories abound about the pyramid's function, ranging from celestial calendars to energy generators. We'll explore these fascinating hypotheses and examine the evidence supporting each. By piecing together the historical puzzle, we may finally uncover the true purpose of these magnificent structures. Illuminating ancient achievements. The pyramids stand tall as a testament to the ingenuity and engineering prowess of our ancestors. To build these monolithic structures with limited technology speaks volumes about the abilities of ancient civilizations. Each stone precisely cut and meticulously placed, these architectural marvels have left us in awe for centuries. Our journey aims to shed light on the minds behind these remarkable achievements. Join us on this extraordinary expedition into the past, as we immerse ourselves in the world of pyramids. Together, we will uncover the secrets that have endured throughout time. Remember, the greatest mysteries are waiting to be unraveled. Subscribe now and never miss an episode of our captivating series. Thanks for watching.